Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha Mai. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. It is not gender specific and it's only your energy. If you want to know what's happening with your person, you will have to go and watch their signs. And this reading is for twin flames and soulmates that are in contact, even if it's just a little bit, and they will be coming into union. I've changed the readings completely. There's another playlist for twin flames and soulmates that are in separation and no contact. If you're not sure where you fit, you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. It is timeless, so whenever you watch it, that's when it will have some kind of a message for you. Okay, and please remember to check the description box below for information on my private services, and all my details are below so that I can help you with readings, healings, meditations, or the tarot essential oils, so that you don't have to do this on your own. Sagittarius, this is why I'm here, to guide you, to bring you clarity and help you with healing and whatever it is that you need right now on your journey. That's why I am here. So just get hold of me. My WhatsApp number is below, as well as my email address. I am putting specials out on my Facebook and Instagram. My links are below. You can just find them there, or you can just get hold of me and then we can discuss the different ways I can help you on your journey. And then remember to like, share and subscribe for me. I'm going to give away a free private reading every week for now, and I will pick someone from the sign with the most likes. So please subscribe and like the videos, and then leave your name and email address in the comment section below, or your WhatsApp number, so that I can actually get hold of you when I've picked you for a free reading. And the doTERRA essential oils, my doTERRA essential oils, are available for delivery to your door right around the world. Huge variety of oils available for anything you can possibly think of. I will put a playlist at the end of the video. You can just go through it, or go on YouTube doTERRA essential oils to find any kind of information you need on it. But just get hold of me so that I can get some oils to you as well. All right, and let's see what's happening with you, Sag. Whoa, what is happening with you, Sag? There is so much emotion, so much emotion, so much love in your reading. It's actually, yeah, it's making me gasp for air. All right, let's see. First card that came out for you was the Sun card, and the Sun is our twin flames, or our soulmates that are coming into union. It's our ultimate joy and happiness. It's the strongest card in the tarot, and in this specific deck, it is that union of souls. You can see there's the yin and the yang as well, and this is our divine masculine and our divine feminine over here, and they're just in paradise. So this is a union. This is a very, very strong union on the table for you. Okay, so whether you are the one offering this union, or whether you are the one receiving it, but some kind of a truth was revealed here. Either you revealed it to your twin flame or soulmate, or they revealed it to you. And I do feel it was this overflowing of emotions that were revealed. There might have been something else as well that has been revealed here with this Ace of Swords. But yes, Ace of Swords is also about claiming a victory in a new beginning. So there's a new beginning, a very truthful new beginning. Yeah, and for you, Sagittarius. Again, whether you are the one claiming this victory, or whether you are receiving it. I do feel for the Sagittariuses that are the ones that is opening up here, and definitely communicating and offering commitments. You may have seen signs that were warning you that you are going to lose your person. You're going to lose your twin flame or soulmate completely if you do not act. And this is why all of this is just, I feel like it's just like a floodgate of emotions and truth that are just being spilled for you. So for those who are offering this union, and for those Sagittarius that are spilling all these emotions, you may have seen signs that your person is moving on, or that there might be someone else around, or you were warned, you saw some kind of a signs that you're going to lose them for good. for those that are receiving this communication and receiving this offer of union, you might be a bit cautious right now with this card, Sagittarius. You might feel something is a bit off here, or you might be looking for those red flags because it just came out of the blue. Just came out of the blue. You didn't kind of expect it. And it may, and obviously before you've been in no communication probably and in separation, and you kind of may have thought that your person are moving on or it's just not going to work out, and then suddenly out of the blue all of this came, and it was just a floodgate, as I said, a floodgate that was opened about deep felt emotions, and you kind of wondering, is this real? What's going on? And kind of looking for signs, um, and kind of feel that something is a bit off here. But I only feel that might be because of what happened in the past, or it could be due to past relationships as well. And you kind of didn't expect this coming. All right. And then the 10 of Cups. The 10 of Cups is on the table as well for you. And this is also, this is that divine union in the physical world with our twin flame or soulmate, where we live happily ever after. This is a very long-term commitment here. This is spending your life together. So this is not just your person coming forward, or you coming forward and spilling all these deep emotions. This is all about long-term commitment, spending your life together. That is coming out here. And yes, that is the end of singleness. That's the end of being alone. That's the end of longing for that specific person to share your life with. Number 9 is completion. In reverse, it's at the 10 of Pentacles. This is where your single life is over. It's over. Okay, so this is what I get for you. And then I received 2 cards here, even though I only pull one usually. It was the heart-to-heart conversations and the true love. And yes, there's really deep conversations going on between you and your person right now. You're both really discussing your feelings. You're really getting to know each other on a really deep level, and really opening up your hearts here and communicating. And there's a lot of love, a lot of heart-to-heart conversations, either coming from you towards your twin flame or soulmate, or coming from them towards you. And yes, it's because this is true love. Whether you are the one that realizes it now, or your person is the one that has realized it, it is the romance of a lifetime. This is true love. This is my twin flame. This is my soulmate. This is the one I really want to be spending my life with. So yes, there's a union. There's a union for you, Sagittarius. Yeah, I don't have much more to say. You are coming into union, and it's beautiful. I'm going to leave it there. And remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. Even though you're coming into union, I can still help you to get some clarity, or do some healing if there's still healing that needs to take place based on the past, and I can see based on this card there is. Just get a hold of me so I can help you. My specials on Facebook and Instagram, my links are below, or my WhatsApp number, email address is there for you to contact me. Remember to check the doTERRA essential oils so that I can get oils to you. And like, share, and subscribe for me. I'm going to give away a free private reading at the end of every week for now. And I'm going to pick someone from the sign with the most likes. So you will have to like the video and then leave your name and email address or WhatsApp number in the comment section below so that I can get hold of you. And yes, that's all from me. And namaste, Sagittarius.